This is our Year 8 talk in the group featuring the three crazy kids, Dunk, Bryn, and Angie. So we're going to be talking about our school, Heathfield. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Ta-da!
Obviously.
Hello secondary, and welcome to your secondary awards ceremony. To reassure you, we're not being held hostage by a gang of maths teachers just now. We are in the new normal. It's a bit unusual to be stood here talking to a microphone that's not turned on because the acoustics are strange and an iPhone to record this, but this is what we have to do to make sure you celebrate the end of your year and we get to recognise the hard work you've put in, particularly the last 3 months, where you have gone beyond what our expectations. And teachers have regularly said how proud they are of you. And it's a daily conversation how proud they are and the amount of progress that you've all made. So thank you. Thank you for your hard work. Thank you to your parents at home for all the hard work of getting up in the morning. Thank you to those who've actually managed to get up in the morning. We know it's very hard as teenagers to get up before 8 o'clock. You've done really well. And we'll be back next year. A slightly different way, but it'll be school as you pretty much remember it. So, have a lovely holiday, and well done for your awards, and we'll say some goodbyes at the end. Thank you.
Hello secondary, and welcome to our end of year's award ceremony. I'd like to take a moment to thank you all for all the hard work, your enthusiasm and your positivity over this year, particularly the last 3 months. I think I speak for all teachers when I say we really miss you guys. You will not believe how quiet the school is without you, and we can't wait to have you back in the classroom. I hope you all have a safe and happy summer, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing you back in August. Thank you.
Okay, I'll start us off. This award is for a pupil who both embodies and exemplifies our Heathfield values. She's a determined and reflective student who initially lacked confidence regarding her reading and writing skills. However, she has worked hard to address this, and what she has achieved is remarkable. Obtaining her English GCSE in year 10 is a truly great achievement, and I am confident she will excel in her English literature course. She continually sets an excellent example for others and is constantly seeking to improve. Thank you for all your brilliant work this year, Organ. You've been a credit to yourself and our class.
Woo! Okay, my award is for a student who has impressed me throughout the year. He's always a delight. He comes into the classroom with a smile on his face. He works incredibly hard and he's made excellent progress in English. Much of that is due to the fact that he is, as well as his hard work, he is a reflective learner. He goes back and listens to feedback and improves his work. And in addition to this, he challenges himself with his reading and really enjoys to read new things and spends time learning about new topics. So well done, Gian. Have a lovely, lovely summer and see you next year.
Okay, it is with great pleasure that I have to give this award to a truly gifted mathematician. And he's not only a truly gifted mathematician, he's a wonderful role model to all the students. Furthermore, last October, November time, he sat his IGCSE maths exam a year early, well more than a year early, and achieved the highest grade possible, an A star. So, very well done to Guy. It's been an awesome year in mathematics, and all the best and see you next year. And have a great summer.
I'd like to give this student a top in biology. He has worked incredibly hard both in class and out of class all throughout the year. This has resulted in really significant gains in his biology work. He's also continued to work in the online period, producing the highest standard of work possible. I'm really impressed with his work. So top in biology this year goes to Prince. Well done.
Hello guys, my award this year for the excellent achievement in chemistry is going to a student who has done incredibly well not only when we're in school but in the online learning environment. This student surprises me every single week with their knowledge, their effort and their ability to always fulfill their potential. This is to Ryu.
Good afternoon. First of all, I want to say well done and thank you for all of you for all your hard work. The competition for physics was very stiff, but I had to eventually give the award to the person who did the best and improved through this year. That she can work very well, and she made gradual progress throughout the year and ended up top of the class. Emily, well done.
Morning guys, I've got 2 awards this session, and the first award is going to be computer science and the second award is going to be psychology. The computer science award goes to a student who, when I taught the student in year 8, struggled enormously with this subject. I remember having a long discussion with this student and she was struggling very enormously. And then year 9 came and this student has just blossomed enormously. She's now leading the way in computer science. She sits there quietly, she goes under the radar, she doesn't stand out with regards to talking and chatting and getting attention. She's very, very studious, she's the sort of A-level student standard, and that is Sin Sin. Second subject, psychology. This student's favourite statement is, I don't know. All he did for the past 4 years was, I don't know. I've taught him 4 years. I could give him the computer science award as well. He works well in that. And his psychology, he's suddenly picked up a new subject, and clearly he does know, he understands concepts that are at a high level, and he's way ahead of everybody else in psychology in my opinion, and that is Paul.
และสำหรับคุณนกนะคะสำหรับปีนี้นะปีการศึกษา 2562 ที่ผ่านมานะคะคุณนกก็มีเด็กนักเรียนคนหนึ่งที่น่ารักมากตั้งใจเรียนทุกอย่างนะคะช่วยเหลือเพื่อนตั้งใจมีความรับผิดชอบส่งงานตรงเวลามีมารยาทที่ดีไม่ว่าจะทั้งกับคุณนกเองกับบุคลากรในโรงเรียนแล้วก็กับเพื่อนๆทุกคนนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นสำหรับภาษาไทยได้แก่มิ้นท์เยนายค่ะ
Hola a todos. Firstly, I would like to say thank you to every single student who embraced the subject of Spanish this year. Thank you very much. Now, this student is a beautiful soul inside and out of everything that she does. She's simply such a hard-working student. She always strives to get the best results she can possibly get, and she always aims high. I'm really impressed how she remembers every single detail that I give her, and she just really uses it to the best of her ability. I absolutely adore this student, and I know she's going to be amazing in her IGCSE Spanish. And that student goes to Year 7, Pathy. Muy bien.
Okay, hello everyone. For the secondary, the Mandarin students, right? I will give the award to the year 9, the Beitun. Yes, she always listens attentively and she always starts the online Mandarin class on time. And she did a great work in the Mandarin work. And I think the best Mandarin work of the poem Spring Morning, she did great work. Like 春眠不觉
student in year 7. When I tell you who it is, I'm sure you all agree that she is very talented in music since coming up from year 6. She participates in basically literally every kind of music event that was held in the past 3 terms. And I believe no one deserves it better than her, and this goes to Omelette.
Okay, hi everybody, and before I start I'd like to say thank you to everybody who worked very hard in art all year, and especially during term 3, which has been a challenge and unfamiliar to us all, so good job to everyone, I'm very proud of you. Okay, so the end of year art award goes to a year 10 student. This student is getting the award for consistency, a consistent work ethic, subject knowledge, steady progression, and an amazing attitude and ability to succeed. This award goes to Pupe, year 10 club.
Okay, hi guys. The award for humanities this year, which is history, geography and business studies, goes to a student who has displayed Heathfield values throughout the year. He is hard-working, courteous, kind, and overall an excellent student. And especially during the lockdown period, he has produced consistently high levels of work. So congratulations to Tom.
Hello again. These are 2 awards for physical education. The first award goes to our Key Stage 3 student. This student has been amazing in the sense that he has embraced every single new sport that he has never even seen before, and he's learned the rules. He's been able to think tactically how to win. He's been able to pick up correct skills. But what's most important in physical education, especially in sports, is how team player, what an amazing team player and coach that he is and will be when he gets to Key Stage 4 and so on. So the award for physical education, Key Stage 3, goes to Dunk in year 8. Well done, Dunk. Now the award for Key Stage 4 physical education, I gave this award to this student because although we've done a lot of sports lessons and swimming and lots of other new things, I did the theory, PE theory, and this student took it very seriously and learned all the muscles of the body and how the heart functions, everything that's quite difficult to learn within a short amount of time. And he was also the student that received the most points on his assessment. And that goes to year 10, Guy. So very well done, Guy.
This video is going to be about Heathfield, an important place for all of us. Us Year 11s would like to present a project that we have worked together to make. We have built the Heathfield logo in Minecraft, and we would like to show you the time-lapse of the building process. We would also like to talk about what we miss about the school during our time at home. During the time-lapse, we will share our memories about our time at the school, giving some advice to younger students, and also what we are looking forward to after everything goes back to normal. This is Kyle's. Oh boy. Heathfield. I've spent around 7 years in the school now. It's really interesting to see how every year changes and getting new friends/classmates. At first, I was younger than all of my classmates, 1 year younger. But the teachers helped me pull through it, and I'm actually currently close with most people in secondary now. Might sound a bit cringy or naggy, but I really do miss school. Without friends, I wouldn't have been able to pull through this horrible high school study course. My best experience is easily at year 10, which is still a memorable year for me. Tips? Don't get lazy. The harder you work, the easier you get on with things at school. Alright, this is Tony's. Heathfield International School is a very interesting school. I've only been here for more than a year, and I find it pretty cool. I like the friends I made here and the teachers I met there. What I miss most about school is my friends who I talk with a lot. Talking to friends, classmates, and teachers makes me happy. My advice is that you do your best, no matter what some people might think. You do what you believe is right for you. My favorite memory is year 10. That school year was one of the best in my life. I was happy. What I look forward to in the future is that I will be a successful person and have a job I love.
Alright, this is Perth.
During the long time I've been in Heathfield, there are many memories that I've made and will remember. Of all the many things, and as much as I hate to say this, one of the best experiences I had is in year 10 and 11 with Mr. Rogers. All the fun and laughter we had is unforgettable. And if this is something that I will miss and look forward to when things goes back to normal. Furthermore, I've been told that I have to give an advice to the younger students, so an advice I have would be to enjoy this time as much as possible, because it is truly a one-in-a-lifetime experience and never again can you relive it. So as hard, as frustrating, or as troubling as it may seem, this is by far the most stress-free period of your life. Oh, this is my own. Oh, God. Ever since the closure of the school, I've been thinking about school plenty. I missed in real-life chats and banter with my peers and the shade I throw at teachers from time to time. My favorite moment being the Vietnam trip, where we get to scare and tease each other as much as we like for 3 days straight. Furthermore, this got me thinking about my future and what I was going to do about it, and honestly, I have been thinking about several options, whether that'll be psychology, music, or biology. But it isn't shameful to have more than one options in life. Younger students, don't be afraid to switch your options in the future or to come up with more than one. The more organized you become, the better you'll succeed.
Hi everyone, just wanted to say a big hello and a big goodbye and a big thank you for everything that you've all done this year. We're so sorry that we didn't get to see you all before the end of the year, but we're all busy preparing, ready to see you again in August. Stay safe, have a good holiday, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye!
There's a place in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place can be much brighter than tomorrow. And if you really try, you find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no hurt or sorrow. There are ways to get there if you care enough for the living. Make a little space, make a better place. Heal the world, make it a better place for you. Make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, it only cares for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this space we cannot feel. Fear of dread, stop existing and start living. Then it feels our way. Love's enough for us growing. So make a better world. Make a better world. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for the living, make a better place for you and for me. And the dream we were conceived and will try fulfill. And the world we once believed in will shine again in grace. Then why do we keep stranding life when this earth is surviving soul? Though it's plain to see this place happily be God's close. Fly so high, let our spirits never die. My heart, I feel you are all my pleasures.
Create a world with no fears. Together we'll cry happy tears.
See the nations turn their swords into potions. We could